concert ng BINI sa Hawaii hindi sold out. Madaming fans ng girl group ng BINI ang worried ngayon dahil nahihirapan ng BINI to sold out major venues in countries like Hawaii and other parts of North America. While BINI's concert in Los Angeles was well attended at fully booked, a lot of countries have yet to feel yung tinatawag nila na the Coachella effect. I think a lot of factors come into play. Kasi for the last 2 years, BINI was not able to really release catchy songs and dance choreography unlike their previous hits na Pantropico, Salamin, and Carrera. So no songs of BINI na mga bago were able to really chart in TikTok and other social media platforms. So even though they did a really commendable job and high quality performance in Coachella, people do depend on the high quality catchy songs. So yung mga nirelease nila ng mga songs like Blush only reached about 4 million views and yung Step Back still has only 437,000 on YouTube. Malayo ito pag i-compare mo sa performances ng mga songs like Salamin with 96 million views and Pantropico with about 124 million views. So which begs us to think, masyado bang maagang nag-rebrand ang BINI? Was it too fast? And sinasabi nga nila, even the clothes of BINI right now and the way they dress up are too mature. Some netizens also pointed out na bakit ang aga nilang nag-enter ng US market at hindi nila sinolidify yung Southeast Asian market nila. They should have taken advantage yung other markets like Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and also Japan. At sana nag-try muna silang mag-make ng collaborations in South Korea before entering the US. So, and of course, alam din natin na none of the songs of BINI were able to enter the 100 US charts and radio stations in the US. Sinasabi nga nila, honestly, right now, this is the era for girl groups and strong female singers. So, ang daming mga competition like Olivia Rodrigo, Sabrina Carpenter, Olivia Dean, and very much popular pa rin si Ariana Grande and Taylor Swift, making it really hard to enter the market. Not to mention, very strong din ang songs ng Cat's Eye and their dance choreographies. So for me, actually, agree ako doon. Sana mas nag-focus muna sila sa Philippine market nila. Kasi ini-embrace naman talaga sila ng mga Pilipino. And it was too early for them to be featured